Reese's Cups versus our new Feastables peanut butter cups. Let's see which one Gordon Ramsay likes better. Keep your eyes closed. I'm gonna mix them up. All right, reach in front of you and just grab one of them. Okay, he's sniffing it.
That smells rich. Super smooth.
Now, try the other one.
This is rough. Doesn't really taste like an authentic peanut butter. It's like dry on the palate and the chocolate's sort of disintegrating. By far, the one I'd go to again would be the first one.
Oh, let's go. Thank you.